What's up guys, Man Trader here, and today I'm going to bring you another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm taking the other side of these YOLO calls. Some people are buying really high AMC calls, and this is currently the chart that we have here. So you could see the highest it reached was 72. The lowest, the bottom of the range is 37. So on this, I am going to take YOLO call bets. So anyone like Wall Street Bets that wants to do YOLO calls and kind of gamble their money away, I'm going to be taking the opposite side of that trade. So currently, I have currently up this amount for the day, 1,700, so that's pretty good. In 2 weeks, I'm up this amount doing the strategy with options. So basically, I'm pretty much trying to be the casino. I'm going to take their bets. You can see here AMC, they gave me $605, and I sold them the 90 call. So what this means is, and they have 4 days to reach 90. So if we go back, so 90 is all the way up here. I'll draw a line right here, 90. So it's currently up here, and in 4 days it has to reach all the way to 90. So it's pretty unlikely that it's gonna reach 90. So that's pretty much why I'm pretty much acting as a casino. They're giving me $605, and if it doesn't reach up here, I keep the whole amount. And if it does reach up here, then I would probably have to roll the position, and it'd probably go a little bit higher and still take a credit, maybe go up here. But all in all, it's still a pretty good probability for me. If we go back, you could see here, the broker's giving me an 88% that I'll make money on this trade. So yeah, that's pretty much what I just want to show you guys. So far, it's been working pretty good. I'm taking the opposite side of those YOLO plays. So that's another way to make money off the Reddit crowd, the YOLO calls. So if you guys are gonna keep buying YOLO calls, I'll keep selling them to you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a good one. Take care.